Hey guys.
I'm Bob.
I'm Barb. Together we make up
HetteshWorld.
It's K&M ride day today. Where are we riding today?
We're gonna go see some waterfalls in the great state of Pennsylvania.
Waterfalls. So you stay tuned. So we're at the Dingman Waterfalls Visitor Center.
Yes.
And I think you have to pass something called Silver Thread Waterfall to get to it. We're going to go in the Visitor Center and figure it out. There's so many waterfalls in this area. They're so beautiful. It's known for that. But a lot of them are on private land. So it's weird that they're on Google because some will charge you a fee, a big fee, and some will get you arrested for trespassing. So you need to make sure you know where you're going when you're going to the waterfalls. So guys, Bob and I are so blessed that we get to live this life. I mean, we worked hard all of our lives, but we still took time off each year to spend time with our family, to relax. This is some of my most favorite things, is really the Midwest, with the trees, the creeks, the hills, the little mountains, the peacefulness. Trails that have bridges are nice too. But guys, look at how gorgeous this is.
She's talking about me.
So we got the silver threads.
Oh man.
Wow. Oh. And this is not its peak time of the year, so that's actually a really good flow for it not being the peak time of the year. It is just beautiful. Listen. This is your tranquility moment, brought to you by HetteshWorld. There's so much stuff that flows into your life. Let it flow out. Things are not important. Don't hold on to the things that don't matter. Things come in, you've got to let them go. And sometimes it's bumpy getting them out. Let it bump out and flow all the way down. Release it. Tumbling waters provide a constant misty spray, creating a unique microclimate in which many species of delicate ferns, mosses, and liverworts can thrive. So now let's go on the Dingman Falls Trail through the detour.
The detour trail.
Active trail. Proceed with caution. Don't know what that means.
I hope I don't find out.
Woo! That was straight up. Fast. It's a pretty easy trail. This trail's noted for it being handicap friendly, but it's not anymore if you can't get to the second part of the trail. So you can always count on HetteshWorld. We're out here with no bear spray, no timbering, but be bear aware. Do y'all see anything out there?
I have deodorant on.
Yeah, because I'm not even making a lot of noise.
Ooh, man.
Can you hear it all?
Be ready for it.
Can you hear it, y'all? Man, the smells here are so incredible. The rhododendrons, the pine trees, the mulch, nature. Wow! Oh man.
Dingman is not disappointing.
No. Come with me. See what I see. Where you going?
We're taking them on an exclusive tour of Dingman's. Outside the boundaries.
Man, is that... The waterfall itself was beautiful. And there's another part here. But these are my favorite. Super natural trees, you know, no man, just all natural beauty. Your own piece of paradise. So we are at Raymond Skills Falls, and it is supposed to be a little bit smaller than Niagara. So we're gonna head out and see if we can find it. Can you hear it, guys? It's calling your name. It said, travelers in HetteshWorld, you need to be at this waterfall. We are so happy that you guys watch us and you follow us and that you like what we're doing, because we really do want to take you with us so you can see all the beauty that there is. You can learn, because I've learned so much since I've been doing this stuff about America and people and places and things they just don't even teach you in school, or things they did teach us in school that turned out not to be true. So, but yeah, a lot of eye-opening stuff. Bob, this can't be, is this the Niagara Falls one? This can't be the Niagara Falls one.
Okay.
This can't be the one that's taller than Niagara, almost as tall as Niagara. So just as life is, guys, you're just living your life, floating along, bumps here and there, but every now and then you're going to get into some rocky patches and go over the edge. I've been over the edge. Have you been over the edge?
Plenty of times.
But there is a path, Bob said, that goes, oh yeah, all the way over there.
So you get a picture of the front.
Yep, we're going to go and do that. Secondary path with a cave. That's cool. Not going in it.
Good bear hiding spot.
Woo! Okay. Filming started off. Okay guys, had to stop filming because it got super treacherous coming down that trail over there. Ugh. 6 steps down. But look at this. You look and I'll walk safely. Raymond Skills Falls. There's people that pulled in behind us right there. That is beautiful. And then it continues on over this way. So it's the total height from here down to here.
You got this other one coming.
Oh, I love baby trickling waterfalls. I would give anything to stand underneath that right now and be soaking wet. It is beautiful. You get all the angles that it's coming. So you're going to have to tell us in the comments below when we get done which waterfall is your favorite. So we believe we might be at the Fuller waterfalls. The GPS took us to one spot, but it wasn't quite right. GPS does the best that it can, is what you find out when you travel around the USA. But this is an old structure here.
Looks like they're trying to keep people off of it.
Yeah. It's pretty cool though. So they've got a path that goes that way that must take you around, and you can go this way. But I know you all are wondering, why has Barb not found a way to get into any of these to put her foot in there? I'll find a way somewhere in one of them. Factory Falls, Pocono Mountains.
Right here you got the Factory Falls. Over here, if you can see way up ahead, there's a drop off. That's Fuller Falls.
Trying to get a little bit closer to Factory Falls.
Come on, my lovely.
Oh, I think I can get my foot in the water here. There's a tree in the way.
Barb's fighting the jungle.
Oh!
She's fighting the jungle to get the foot in the water. She's fighting the jungle to get the foot in the water. It's in there.
You don't always have to have the perfect place to have lunch. We have found these incredible rocks that we're just setting on. And we're kind of overlooking, I think, what is a lake up there? Bob went up there and looked.
It's beautiful.
And it is hard to find picnic tables anymore. A lot of parks don't put them out. They don't have trash, but we've been riding Spyder, checking out all kinds of waterfalls all day. I did just have a spider on my neck, and my husband saved me because that was horrific for me.
And it wasn't a blue one.
But go out and have lunch, and no matter where you sit, go out and enjoy it.